How to check photo date on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Once you're here, select any photo. After opening the photo, simply tap on the information icon at the bottom. Here, you can view the exact date and time the photo was captured. You can also tap on Adjust if you want to edit this information. Over here, select a new date from the calendar or adjust the time. Once done, tap on Adjust again at the top right corner to save. As you can see, the date has been successfully updated. This way, you can follow the same steps to check the date for any photo or video. Following these steps, you can easily check the photo date on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.